Welcome to video number 253 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This video is directly related to the video number 252. So in that video you might have learned since a particular time, such as since Monday or since last year, and also since an action happened or started, such as from the time you started, since you moved to Bangalore, etc. But how to frame a question for that? Since when did this happen? Or from when is he sick? A small little lesson but useful phrases in a colloquial way. By the way, some of you are having problem navigating within this channel. So at any time during the video playing, you can click on the logo in the bottom right, which will take you to this, and you see here videos, playlist, etc. You can even check the about if you wish to know a little more about this channel. But when you click the videos, you will see the entire videos in reverse order. You can scroll down to watch from video number 1. And you can click the playlist if you wish to choose a particular theme like grammar or conversation or whichever you like. So we wish to make your learning easier, and so please make the best out of it. I just saw a meme recently. It's a conversation between Vadivelu and Kovai Sarala, the 2-star comedians of Tamil cinema. So Vadivelu is asking, என்ன ஒரே missed call, means why so many missed calls? And she says, உங்க ஞாபகமாவே இருக்குங்க. உங்க ஞாபகமாவே இருக்குங்க means I keep remembering you often. And Vadivelu ask, இது எப்போத்துல இருந்து? So since when is this all this? இது எப்போத்துல இருந்து? And she says, since the mobile plan expired. So mobile plan தீந்ததுல இருந்து. This is what you learned in the previous video. So please go watch it in 250. தீந்ததுல இருந்து. So probably she has a few grace money left which she's using for missed calls so that he could top up or recharge. So clever she. Alright. But what other ways can you say that? Or what are the other ways to ask this same question? You can instead ask, இது எப்ப இருந்து? Or இது எப்பையில இருந்து? This is similar to தீந்ததுல இருந்து, from the time it got finished or emptied. We say, எனக்கு சக்கரை தீந்து போச்சு means I ran out of sugar. பிரச்சனை தீந்து போச்சு means the problem is over. So this is a new word for you. தீர்ந்ததுல இருந்து. Okay, again to the third formula. எப்போத்துல இருந்து, since when. So this is Vadivelu style of asking. In formal Tamil we say எப்போது for when, and hence எப்போத்துல இருந்து, since when. Therefore you can say எப்ப இருந்து. So this is a very common and straightforward. Or எப்பையில இருந்து or எப்போத்துல இருந்து. What would I usually say? எப்போத்துல இருந்து or எப்பையில இருந்து? No, I don't know. We could just say anything. It just rolls out. So you will listen to yourself saying words instinctively after some learning. So many of you are already impressively progressing and I'm very happy. So 253 videos plus Instagram and daily learning and now YouTube shorts and a Telegram group to participate and learn. You'll just speak like a native speaker soon. So make use of this opportunity. And moving on to a few more learning. From which year or since which year? எந்த வருஷத்துல இருந்து. So Since which month? எந்த மாசத்துல இருந்து? Since which week? எந்த வாரத்துல இருந்து? From which date? எந்த தேதியில இருந்து? From which day? As in Monday or Tuesday. Say எந்த கிழமையில இருந்து? So it's super easy, and I tell you, don't stress for learning a language. Watch it a couple of times, and if you are in a doubt ever, just watch it again. You will get it easily. And for some time I have put formal Tamil or Thuya Tamil lessons on hold. I have to renew that also, but in a simple fashion, so at least you'll find it easy to compare. So you have to get familiar with that also. So please like, subscribe, comment, ask doubt, and take part in the Instagram, in the Telegram, and just learn away the language in a few months. So please do not learn it all your life. Finish it off within a few months. So take care. Bye. Vanakkam. Nandri. Nandri. Nandri.